asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure, what are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the train station.
The train station is not far from here.
How can I get there?
Walk straight down the street.
How far is it?
It's about 10 minutes on foot.
Should I turn anywhere?
Yes, turn left at the traffic lights.
Then what should I do?
Keep walking for about 5 minutes.
Is the station on the right or the left?
It will be on your right.
Is it easy to see?
Yes, it's a large building.
Great, thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I was worried I was going the wrong way.
Don't worry, you should find it easily. At the bus stop. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
That's great. Which bus should I take?
You can take bus number 12.
How often does it come?
Usually every 15 minutes.
Do you know when the next one arrives?
It should be here in about 5 minutes.
Perfect. How long does the trip take?
About 20 minutes.
Do I need to buy a ticket before getting on?
No, you can buy one from the driver.
How much is the ticket?
It's about $2.
That's not bad.
No, it's pretty cheap.
Is the city center the last stop?
No, there are a few more stops after that.
How will I know when to get off?
I'll tell you when we get there.
Taking a taxi.
Excuse me, are you available?
Yes, where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the Grand Hotel.
Sure, do you know the address?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Great, let me take a look.
Here it is.
Okay, I know where that is.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Is there a lot of traffic?
There might be some traffic downtown.
That's okay.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, it's my first time here.
I hope you enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Is the hotel far from the airport?
No, it's only about 15 minutes away.
That's good to know.
We're almost there now. At the train station. Excuse me, can you help me find my train?
Sure, which train are you taking?
I'm taking the train to Brighton.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Let me see, your train leaves from platform 4.
Platform 4.
Yes, it's upstairs.
How do I get there?
Take those stairs on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only a few minutes away.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 10:30.
It's 10:15 now.
You still have time.
That's good. I was afraid I was late.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
At the airport. Excuse me, where can I check in for my flight?
You can check in at that counter.
Thank you. Is this the line for international flights?
Yes, it is.
Great. Do I need my passport?
Yes, please have your passport and ticket ready.
Here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay, is it too heavy?
No, it's fine.
That's good. What gate is my flight?
Your flight leaves from gate 18.
How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes.
Should I go through security now?
Yes, security is just over there.
Thank you for your help. Checking into a hotel. Good evening, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What's your name, please?
My name is Maria Lopez.
Let me check your reservation.
Sure.
Yes, I found it. You booked a room for 3 nights.
That's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
It's from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Great, what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11.
Okay, where is the elevator?
It's just around the corner.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Asking about a hotel room.
Excuse me, can I ask you something about my room?
Of course, what do you need?
My room is a little noisy.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Is there a quieter room available?
Let me check.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a room on the other side of the hotel.
Is it available tonight?
Yes, it is.
That's great. Can I move there?
Certainly.
Does the new room have a window?
Yes, it has a large window.
Perfect. Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, all our rooms have free Wi-Fi.
Great. Can I get the new key now?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you very much.
Finding a tourist attraction. Excuse me, do you know where the city museum is?
Yes, it's not far from here.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, definitely.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 15 minutes.
Which way should I go?
Walk straight along this street.
Okay.
Then turn right at the big park.
Is the museum near the park?
Yes, it's just behind the park.
Can I see it from the street?
Yes, it's a large white building.
Great. Is there anything else interesting nearby?
There's a beautiful old market next to the museum.
That sounds interesting.
You should visit it after the museum.
Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Getting around.
What's the best way to get around this city?
It depends on where you're going.
Is public transportation good here?
Yes, it's very good.
Are there buses and trains?
Yes, and there is also a subway.
Which one is the cheapest?
The bus is usually the cheapest.
What about the subway?
The subway is faster, especially during busy hours.
Can I buy one ticket for everything?
Yes, you can buy a travel card.
Where can I get ones?
You can get one at the station.
That's convenient.
You can also use it on the buses.
Great, I think I'll use public transportation.
That's a good choice.
Is it easy to use?
Yes, the signs are easy to follow. Getting lost.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what's wrong?
I think I'm lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to find my hotels.
What's the name of your hotel?
It's called the City Hotel.
Do you have the address?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Let me see.
Oh, here it is.
So, you're quite far from there.
Really, I thought I was close.
You went in the wrong direction.
Oh no.
Don't worry, I can show you the way.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
It's okay, I know this area well.
Should we walk or take a bus?
Let's take the bus, it's much faster.